If you're experiencing billing issues on Xbox, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Go to the Xbox account settings and review the payment options linked to your account. Update any expired cards or incorrect information. Step 2. Review purchase history. Access your purchase history to identify any unauthorized charges or errors. You can find this in your account settings on the billing or order history. This will help you pinpoint the source of the problem. Step 3. Contact Xbox support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Xbox support. You can do this through the Xbox website or the console itself. Provide them with detailed information about your billing problem for quicker assistance. Step 4. Dispute unauthorized charges. If you find any unauthorized charges, you can dispute them through your payment provider or directly with Xbox. Follow the instructions provided by your bank or credit card company to initiate the dispute process. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further discrepancies. Regularly check your billing statements and Xbox account to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any billing problems on Xbox. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from customer service.